Hey, this is Paul. I hope you're doing well. Today, I'm going to talk to you about MyRadar. It's an app that literally saved me on 3 different trips. What MyRadar does is it helps you forecast what the weather is going to do, or look at what the weather is going to do, more importantly, by a radar return. Now, this app is available through iOS and Android. It does work on Android Auto, and it does work on CarPlay. It allows you to see on your dashboard a map of where you are, whatever roads, whatever route you're taking, as well as how the weather radar return is going to be. For example, how it saved my trip is this recent trip. We were coming home, stopped for gas. The clouds were getting dark. I'm like, hey, we're going to get it. All of a sudden, we're going to get some rain. All of a sudden, I got a warning that we have a forecast change. There's going to be heavy thunderstorms and potential hail. I went on and saw that there was a red and white cell headed towards us. So we moseyed down the road after getting gas. I knew I would be well ahead of it. As we were heading into Spearfish, I did see from coming across 90 was the potential of a big white cell with a lot of hail and a big amount of rain. I'm looking at the pace of it, looking at the pace that we were going, realized that I could thread the needle, so to speak. So we did. That hail was quarter-size hail, had the potential to hurt my vehicles. So MyRadar literally saved my time and made it successful. And that was the 3rd time. Great app. I'm going to walk you through it a little bit today. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.
Welcome to the Mountain Man Chronicles, where the spirit of adventure comes alive. I'm thrilled to have you join our journey into the great outdoors. I'm Paul Piazza. I'm your guide through the wilderness and the storyteller behind the Mountain Man Chronicles. I hope you share in our love and appreciation of what this great world has to offer. Here we live in 3 simple principles: live, learn, and explore. Live, immerse yourself in the thrill of the moment, whether it be overlanding, exploring unique ghost towns, or simply enjoying the serenity of nature. We believe in living life to its fullest. Learn, cultivate that childlike curiosity. Every adventure is an opportunity to learn and discover something new. From overlanding trips to mastering trail navigation, we're a constant journey of learning and growing. Explore. Be comfortable with the uncomfortable. Venture into the unknown. Our chronicles are a testament to the places we've been and the stories waiting to be untold. Join us as we explore the hidden trails, the pristine lakes, and the mysterious places this great nation has to offer. And of course, what adventure would be successful without proper planning and the right gear? We'll be showcasing some of the tools of the trade along our journeys. I truly hope you enjoy our chronicles and the journey that my wife and I travel through during our overlanding adventures. Thanks for watching. All right, you can see here that I have my MyRadar app up, and I'm looking at the rotating map of the actual radar return. So if I'm here, I'm going to be like, oh wow, I'm starting to already see it. I know where the thunderstorm is. Or if I'm ahead of it, or I could steer around it, it gives me warnings. You'll see in here, it gives you information on the weather alert of what's going on. Now this is the actual app. So the app itself will give you more of a severe thunder warning of what's going on and areas like that. So let me close it down. You can see here's severe thunder warning for this area near Fargo, immediate broadcast requested, severe thunderstorms. So this is all coming from the app itself. Now what you see in CarPlay is a little bit different. You'll see a map as you're going down the road. It's an app that you have in CarPlay or Android Auto that just gives you an open street map, tells you where the storms are, shows you where lightning is, and in real time you can adjust where you're going. Other things I love about the app itself is you could add your layers. So if I want to go, if I don't want to see a forecast, if I don't want to see winds, I can declutter as much as I want on the map. So now that I decluttered it, it's going to look way different, right? So you can add more stuff or little stuff. You can customize it the way you want. You can find your location, and it works on Android Auto. As I say, it saved me like 3 or 4 times on trips. Great to see in real time as you're driving of what's going on. Part of overlanding is getting to a destination, getting that destination safely, and being aware of your surroundings. MyRadar is something, as I mentioned earlier, has saved me just a whole bunch of times. Some of the other features it has in it is I can change the map. Right now I could have a globe map, so if I scan out, I have it on roads. If you want to see area, if you want to see topo, this is all built into MyRadar. I can even slow down this or pause the state of return if I want. You can see the date and time on there. You can record it if you want to. You can take a snapshot. You can share it. So a bunch of information here to help you become more informed while you're out there exploring. Really, it's helped me be comfortable with the uncomfortable. The uncomfortable here is the weather. And it's helped me navigate around them. If I knew a storm was coming like that and I was going around it, I'd probably look for an overpass just to ride it out. I can zoom out and get a bigger view if I want. So as I look at the bigger view, I can see, okay, this isn't hitting much more than a couple miles. This isn't going to be a large event. Sorry about that. And I can see here that the orange area, so I would pull over just a little bit to let this one through. You can also see up here they're having one. I can just look around to see what's going on so I can make an informed decision. I hope this is helpful. Again, if you like it, please like and subscribe. I am not paid by MyRadar at all. It's just an app that I found is very useful for overlanding. Thanks very much.